Hi there, and welcome to ShoBeaRo. Thanks for joining us. What should we do today? Something different, something new. I know, origami. Yes, that's a great idea. Here's what we're going to need. Construction paper, Google eyes, or a black marker, glue, scissors, origami paper, or any type of square paper will do. Are you ready? Just follow what I do. You did it! You folded a rooster! Now take your construction paper, your Google eyes or marker, glue, and scissors to create the extras to add to your rooster. Aw, he's so cute! I love him! I will see you in 2 weeks for more fun creations. Check out my Instagram account. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and comment below. You keep smiling and stay awesome. Bye!